Android, Amazon, a browser called Junior, and kids working for their parents. What's up YouTube? Tech Guy Hodget here, and this is Tech Talk Week. So let's get on to the first bit of news, which is Instapaper has finally made it to the Google Play Store for Android. So in case you don't know what Instapaper is, basically what this does is, say if you read an article online, you can save it onto Instapaper and read it later when you're not around some kind of internet connection. So say if you've got your Android device, you've saved an article that you saw online which was interesting, and you want to carry on reading it, but you have to go somewhere. So you're on the train, you're underground. When I mean underground, I mean like on the tube, not literally underground. Or you're just somewhere where there's no Wi-Fi connection. So with this, what you can do is, say you've got that article, it takes away all the ads, all the banners that are around the article. You just get the article itself with the pictures that came with the article. So it makes for a more pleasant way of reading. Second bit of news, Amazon have confirmed that they will be launching their App Store on to many countries in Europe. And this is because of a message that was sent out to the app developers, which read, apps will be made available for distribution in the United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain later this summer, with plans for further global distribution and expansion in the future. So this basically confirmed a rumor that was going around last week, saying basically the same thing, that Amazon will be bringing their App Store to Europe, and obviously now they are. So let's get on to the next bit of news. Sorry, I'm going quite fast, but there's only around 4 topics I wanted to just quickly get out there, and so that's why this is quite a quick video. Next bit of news is quite interesting. Mozilla, the people that bought you Firefox, are developing a new browser for the iPad, which is going to be called Junior. So what this is a WebKit browser for the iPad. No tabs, no search bars. All it is a simple UI based solely on gestures. So what this does is a web browser that, and the way you browse is that you press one of 3 buttons. It's forward, back, and a plus. And this displays your recent sites that you've viewed, your bookmarks, and a small search bar, and the rest is dedicated to the actual browser. And this, I think, is a good thing, because when you go to a website, like say you went to, I don't know, the Wall Street Journal, you're on their website, and you don't want to be seeing search bars and website add-ons and and tabs open everywhere. If you're on a page, you want only that page and nothing else. So this is a good thing. So you'll get that page, and you can have a sorry, you can have a search bar and stuff like that, but that only comes if you basically invite it by doing a gesture or pressing one of those 3 buttons. So is this a good move? I guess it is if Mozilla are moving towards tablet browsers. I guess it's good. We've seen Google do this with their Chrome browser going to Android. There's been rumors that they're going to be coming to iOS, but it's not happened yet. So that was that. Now the final bit of news. Do you want to start working for your parents? No, I don't mean literally, but basically, there's a new app on the App Store called Tycoon. And what this does, it's an app which lets parents create activities for their kids, which once completed by that kid, it helps them earn a certain allowance each week. So basically, pocket money. So say if I I'm not a parent, but example, I set a task for my kid saying, if you take out the trash for 3 days in a row, I'll give you £2 towards your allowance, towards your weekly allowance. And then if on Friday you do such and such thing, I'll add another £5 to your allowance. So it's theoretically you're employed by your parents. Is this a good thing? Okay, jokes aside, I do think this is good. This is good for the kids that, well, not the kids. This is just good for kids that are used to just asking for money as they need it. So this gives them more of an incentive to earn it and teaches them the value of money. And obviously it's just an app. It's not that, oh, once you've downloaded this, it becomes some kind of regime. It just helps you organize tasks and chores for your kids, and then it's a little reward for them at the end, that extra bit of allowance that they get in the end of the week. So this, I know there wasn't really much news, but this was just some news that interested me in this week. So this has been a new segment that I'm starting called Tech Talk Weekly, and I will try doing it every week. If I miss a week, I'm sorry, but I will be trying my very best to release it every week. So that was Tech Talk Weekly for this week, and I'll see you again another time in another video. Take care.